Albie, I'm going to be talking to you, but also talking to the audience, okay? Exactly. Okay, thank you, everyone. So what's up, homies? It's your homegirl, Natalie, and welcome to another video. Now you're wearing a beret too, Albie. I know the scarf doesn't really match to his beret, but we're going with what we got, so... But anyways, welcome to today's video where I'll be talking to you guys about the winter essentials. I will say there's probably some things that overlap with my how to be stylish in winter video with this, but there's going to be some other things for you to take note as well. So anyways, let's get started. The number one thing for me is I need comfy as pants. I need comfy pants. That's why I was on a mission when I was in Japan to find another pair of comfy pants, because you already know I wore out those Uniqlo pants and I knew that I need another pair of pants to replace them. Having comfy pants do just everything. I wear them when I'm going to the airport. I wear them at home. I wear them if I just want to wear something like casual but looks a little bit more put together. You could wear those so many ways. So that's why I'm so happy I found these green ones and these leopard ones. We're gonna go on with the comfiness. You need a pair of comfy like winter boots. Now I don't want to say like Uggs, because it doesn't have to be like Uggs. It's just like any pair of boots to wear outside in this coat. In Korea, for example, it's been getting down to like -11, but it feels like -19 Celsius, okay? And the other thing is that I have a dog. You don't say. Clearly have to go outside a lot. Apart from that, you know, you're gonna do like errands, or, you know, you're gonna go to the gym or anything like that, right? And so you need a pair of like just comfy little boots. Major plus if they are waterproof or water resistant. I got these from Amazon, but actually they were my mom's, but then she was like, you should keep them because you need to go outside a lot more than I do. Apart from like going to work or going to an event or hanging out or whatever, if you need like a comfortable shoe, dude, I cannot recommend enough. And you don't need something like an Ugg boot or whatever that isn't even good for like the snow or the rain or anything like that. These boots are actually water resistant. You could even like wear these to work, you know, on your commute, and then switch out into your like loafers or whatever, you know what I'm saying? It also has a really good grip on the bottom, so we ain't gonna be slipping and sliding out here, but cannot recommend these enough for wintertime. Faux show. I feel like I've been recommending this for years now, but it's because it is such a staple in my wardrobe, especially for my winter wardrobe, and that is heat tech. Okay, you need a heat tech. If you got a GU, then you could get a GU warm. It's so good. It's super light, okay, but it keeps you nice and warm, and there's also different like styles available, so it's not only like a turtleneck. If you want to wear a shirt that is more of low neck or whatever, they have one like that. They have like little tank tops. They also have like leggings or also even tights. So heat tech comes in so many different forms that can absolutely just translate well into your wardrobe or into what you need. And I cannot recommend this enough, especially when it comes to like wanting to look cute, but you don't want to be wearing like all of these like chunky ass layers. Heat tech comes in handy, bro. Definitely check that out. Get yourself a pair. It really is such a big help during the winter time. So this one isn't really like necessary, but I think it is. And that is a cute set of PJs. Being in your house, being nice and cozy and like a cute little set, I don't know, it just makes me really feel like winter, holiday season. I am blessed. It's a double-edged sword, really. But in my house, it's always warm. And summertime is hot as hell. And wintertime is also still nice and warm, which is nice, obviously, because I've also been living in my apartment for the past 5 years and I have never put on the heat once. But when it comes to wintertime, I just get so happy to jump in a pair of comfy, like fluffy, fuzzy little PJs. I just think it looks really cute. It's something that makes me really happy and it makes me feel like I'm in my little house with my little stuff. And I don't know. I love these ones from Uniqlo. They are still top rated. And then if I really need the heavy duty ones, then I have these from Happy Hearts and Harajuku. The Japanese PJs, like, dude, it is warm. Okay, that gets you warm. So I bought this set like years ago with my mom also, and she really loves it still. So yeah, get yourself a nice cute set of PJs. Like, it's just gonna make you happy. We're gonna get into 3 types of coats that I really think are winter essentials. The first one is that long wool, normally like a long wool coat. Is it wool? It makes you look like you put some thought. With these kind of coats, you can wear whatever you want inside of it because no one can see. Throw on some like whatever, like cute boots or something. Put on a scarf. Gotta go run outside to get something or gotta do some errands. People are gonna look at you and be like, damn, that girl got it all figured out. She looks great. And you'll be like, thanks, dude. When really inside you're wearing just your Hello Kitty pajamas. I have done this. It just really brought something new to my looks when I bought this. What I also like about these jackets is that they tend to be a little bit more roomy, more spacious, so you can layer a whole bunch underneath it and it doesn't look like you're stuffed. It keeps you warm. In Korea, these are really, really popular. Everyone looks just very like chic is the best way to put it. Even though they're wearing just like, I don't know, jeans and like whatever little sweater underneath. I don't know, the outfit just looks better. Hi, Albie. Okay, and the second one is a statement coat. This is one that... So the next one is a statement coat, like the one that I have from House of Sunny. I wear this all the time. A statement coat, obviously, it could be a really bright pop of color. It can be really cool pattern on it or some texture. I really love wearing this coat because it only just helps like amplify my outfits. If the brown one is like, not necessarily making my outfit more toned down, but a little bit more like, this other blue one is making my outfit like, hey, I'm here, everybody, look at me, which I personally love. I'm not scared of that. I just like wearing something like that. It can also save your outfits too. If you're wearing something that's kind of like, you know, like whatever, then you add in a big statement coat. It's just like, oh, okay, like this is intentional. She was trying to give you something. And something I did give. I personally like ones that are long because in Korea it's really cold. So I want to make sure if it's going to be a coat that I'm wearing in like straight up like winter time, like it better keep me warm. And this one does a really great job of doing that. So yeah. Oh, and the last coat that you should definitely have for winter, okay, because it's going to end up coming to this, is a padding. To me, I always just called it a sleeping bag. I'm wearing a sleeping bag. Essentially is that. It's like a thick as coat, okay? And normally what you should really get is the ones that go all the way down to your toes, because when it gets to that point in Korean winter, I cannot just deal anymore. I cannot deal with being cold anymore. I think that is just due to age. Just my bones are like, no, girl. But yeah, you always need like a long ass padding. But with that said, I'm not trying to look like... with paddings, you could find the styles that are just like really big and oversized. I like the ones that you could find that kind of like cinch at your waist a little bit. Sometimes they have a belt or sometimes it's just more tailored to fit you like better. But if I did have a padding that was just like oversized, then I could probably layer underneath it better. But the main point of wearing a padding, I would say what you're wearing inside is probably something that isn't really warm, but you need something to keep you warm. Then you throw on your padding. If you didn't feel like layering, but you just really want to wear this little dress, if you just wanted to wear like a pair of jeans and a t-shirt and you're like, I ain't trying to do anything else, throw on a padding because then it'll keep you warm. Oh, I forgot to mention this. You need a good pair of like combat boots. Even though I am a girl that loves wearing platform boots, I'm a girl that loves wearing heels, I'm also a shorty. In Korea, it doesn't really snow all that often, but at the times when it does, I do go out in those. They have like a thick and chunky sole, so the traction is really good, so I'm not slipping and sliding anywhere. And it still gives me some height, which is something that I desperately need. I like to just make sure that I have like some kind of just combat boot. Next two are kind of the same but different. First one is a just nice oversized sweater. I have these that my mom knitted me. This one that she knitted herself when she was 15, so it's been a long time, ladies and gentlemen. But just having a nice oversized sweater, especially when I was going into work as a teacher, I would basically have those on rotation because not only are they so comfortable, but they're also warm, and I could put my heat tech underneath it and I just throw on like whatever, like comfy pants, and that already is a look. Also, the good thing about having like a nice oversized sweater is that if you do layer underneath, it's something that's easy to take off. You know, it's not like you gotta go do all these things. Like, nah, you could take it off, or if you want, you could just go ahead and take off the heat tech underneath if you end up being too warm, and you at least still have an outfit and your outfit didn't just like go to shit because you took off the main point, which was a sweater. And the next thing is a sweater vest. You already know I love me a sweater vest. I have my main two that I wear all the time. Obviously with sweater vests, it's all about layering. You could layer anything from like just dainty little like mesh tops underneath, or heat tech, or button ups, and it just, again, it kind of brings in comfort, but also style and warmth as well. So, and sometimes it's better to opt for the sweater vest than the actual oversized sweater, especially when you're coming to coats. I don't know, but sometimes there are some coats that the arm doesn't have enough space as it has for like your chest. So when I'm wearing like something that's like thick and then I throw on a coat on top of that, I'm like, But with the sweater vest, my arms are basically still free. It's not taking up as much space. I love me some sweater vests. And the last 3 are accessories. The first one is going to be, of course, a cute hat. You already know. Sometimes the bathroom is cold as hell. You don't want to wash your hair, dude. Your hair is still getting greasy. Someone with a greasy scalp and greasy hair, I'm literally wearing a beret because of that today. Into the wintertime, hats are my best friend, not only just for style, and also because it's just practical when I just don't want to wash my hair, but at least, you know, want to look put together. I don't want to look like a complete mess. I'm gonna wear a hat. Keeps your head warm, it looks cute, and it lets you be lazy when you want to be. So get a hat, bro. Well, actually, this is an accessory. It's you need a pair of knee-high boots. You know, when I was saying that outfit with your long coat and you're wearing like your Hello Kitty pajamas underneath. If you're wearing just like ankle boots and if your coat isn't long enough, you're going to be able to see them Hello Kitty pajamas. But if you're wearing knee highs, they ain't going to see those Hello Kitty pajamas. But of course, apart from that, I mean, knee high boots are such, like, you need to have them in wintertime because if you want to wear a skirt, if you want to wear a dress, it's at least like covering a part of your leg, and you could be wearing some thick socks underneath. You could also have tights, so it's not like your leg is completely like bare or anything. It also just looks really cute. I just personally prefer boots over like everything. As a shorty, I feel like wearing boots just make me look taller because they tend to have a nice heel with it anyways. So yeah, I just think having a pair of knee-high boots, it's really versatile. It's also just very practical to wear for the winter time. So get yourself a nice pair, okay, if you haven't already done so. And the last one is a crossbody bag, because sometimes you forget your gloves and that really sucks. And you don't want to have to always hold on to your purse, but also sometimes your purse just slides off because you're wearing like these thick layers. But with a crossbody bag, your hands free, you're good to go. I think just crossbody bags are such a must for wintertime, especially dealing with all the layers that we end up wearing in the wintertime. I just can't be bothered by always like holding something. So I tend to opt for more of a crossbody bag these days because yeah, they're practical and they can be cute too. Alrighties, and that is it for my winter essentials. Oh my god, I feel like I was talking forever. Let me know your winter essentials down below. I'm sure I've missed some. Let's have a little conversation in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, dude. Like having, you know, your YouTube homies, your YouTube community is everything, okay? And it's also really hard to keep. So if you are still here with me, thank you from the bottom of my heart, because I appreciate you. Honestly, really, truly appreciate you. So thank you so much. I already said I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope this video finds you safe. Hope you're doing well. Give yourself a big old hug. Happy holidays. Is this video coming out before the holidays? I don't even know. Happy New Year. Albie, say bye. Exactly. And Albie, say high five. Nice. Okay, Albie, we done. God damn, that was so work.